Hey, you guys, there is literally nothing within the right to repair legislature that makes it even a little bit makes these companies even a little bit accountable to for what they're doing. We're just gonna march around carrying our big banners saying we got the right to repair our stuff, but we're not gonna hold their feet to the fire. We're not gonna hold them accountable or responsible. No, we're just gonna try to want something we can't have again because we are sheep. Ba 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 ba. But seriously, if you don't hold their feet to the calls and basically either command or demand or flat state that things need to change drastically in the way electronics are being designed because they are being designed out of pure shitanium these days and have been for longer than you'd like to admit, then nothing, and I repeat, nothing, a double-decker cheese nothing burger, a with a side of wave of nothing fries, is going to happen until you do. You're going to feel the wave of nothing just washing over the land, making all of its noise but doing nothing else. That's what's going to happen. You need to hold their feet to the fire. You need to say, the buck stops here. It's that simple. Oh, and the hardware is not enough because things like the big ass unbelievable gremlin with the Apple pictures that when you try to rename a picture and they all just suddenly vanish is 100% real and a little more widespread than they'd like to let on. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to continue to complain and want something you can't have? Or are you going to make the change? Are you going to make change like a machine? I'm telling you right now, the way it's set up currently, they've already won. They have already won. These people are doing the bare minimum to bring something that is not going to work, period, end of report, to all these people's attention. You know who's going to benefit? You know who benefits this one? The the politicians who are going to pass this bill as is, knowing that in the actual writing of the bill, in the actual way it is written, in the actual sentences that form it, there is nothing holding any of these manufacturers' feet to the coals because you guys would rather bitch about it. You guys would rather complain than actually do anything because you feel you're too small and too weak and too spread apart to actually make any difference worth even mentioning. So, the circle continues to spin slowly and things begin to disappear through the hole in the middle. And one last thing. You guys, not me. I'm a broke bastard. I have zero political influence. You guys, I have zero influence over this place. I can say, hey, what the hell with the rest of you. And I'd like to change it. But I honestly have zero influence. I've seen how much power I do have because I have tried to make a lot of changes. It's up to you guys that already have your foot in the door to get more than your foot in the door and help us who also want to make these changes, these necessary changes, these soon necessary changes. to the way things are designed at first, and then maybe some other things, both software and hardware, and spyware, and I spy with my little blind eye, and maybe you guys can try to rewrite this bill so it's not a double-decker bologna and cheese nothing burger with a side of wave of nothing fries. I'm not joking. Because as it currently stands, you guys